This morning, we're featuring the great work Rotary clubs do in our local communities and across the world.
Casey went live in Waikiki this morning with more on the impact of this longtime volunteer organization. Casey.
Yeah, chances are, if you're watching this, you know somebody in Rotary here in Hawaii. District 5000, you know, it's an organization that is across the world, and they do a lot of great work. We've been showcasing some of that. Everything from volunteering, the work that they've done here locally on Maui after the devastating wildfires, but they also have really big initiatives, big ideas. One of those is mental health, improving that here across the state. I want to introduce Kathleen Merriam with us from Kaneohe Rotary, correct?
Yes.
Thank you for being here. Of course, we have Gordon R. McInally, the International Rotary President. Let's talk a little bit about mental health. That's something that is always top of mind here in Hawaii, and something we all need to do better. How is Rotary helping to improve the mental health situation here?
Thank you so much for having us. Well, we're very excited that part of the Create Hope in the World initiative this year is a mental health platform. So what we have done is we've asked all of our Rotary clubs, there are over 50 in the state of Hawaii, to make sure that they have mental health initiatives. So that would be maybe adopting a program in their community, working and partnering with an already existing organization to assist them with whatever they need in the community. It could be that at a Rotary meeting they're announcing mental health initiatives like facts, learning more about mental health, making sure everybody has access to the crisis line, that they know that number to call, 988. It could be that they research in their community where they should assist with people that have mental illness and substance abuse issues, basically saying we care about mental health. So we've been so pleased that the mental health platform is a big part of Rotary now.
Kathleen Merriam, thank you for the work that you do and for spending a little time with us. I want to speak, and I'll scooch over here with Gordon McInally. I know that along with the polio initiative, like we talked about in the last half hour, is kind of your vision as international president to have some really big projects, correct?
Absolutely, and I think we all recognise that mental health is an issue that's affecting the entire world at the moment. And so many of the world's ills stem back to poor mental health. And one of the first things that we want to do is break the stigma surrounding mental health. We want people to feel free talking about it. We talk very freely about our physical health, but we don't talk freely about our mental health. And I think that's step number one, is to open that door and make people feel comfortable when we talk about it.
That's very good and well said. I want to ask you, before we go, you're pretty proud of our Rotarians out here in Hawaii?
Extremely proud of the Rotarians here in Hawaii, and I want to say thank you to them for all the work that they do, because I don't do the work, they do the work, and I'm so grateful to them. I'm so grateful.
Yeah. I appreciate it. Gordon R. McInally, Kathleen,
you.
thank you for being with us this morning. We're going to continue to talk with folks from Hawaii's Rotary clubs and, of course, District 5000. That's our statewide district throughout the morning here on Sunrise. We'll send things back into the studio for now.
All right. Thanks, Casey.